Hey there, Lisa Collier here, and I am back with a video to show you really quickly how to make daily regimen veggie capsules using essential oils from Young Living, only Young Living. I always say that. And so I'm going to show you what you need. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use to do it, and then I'm going to tell you as we go along which oils I use and why I use them. So first of all, I want to tell you I am not a doctor. I don't play one on TV. I'm just a normal person supporting my health with some really clean and healthy products. So I'm not going to try to diagnose you or treat you or cure you of anything that's wrong with you. Basically, I'm just showing you what I use to support my health and how you can do it just as easily. So what do you need? You need some clear veggie capsules. I'm using the Young Living ones. You can use other ones. Just make sure that they're veggie capsules. These are great for vegan diets. They are preservative free and they are gluten free. So these are a really great product, very inexpensive, and they are from Young Living. You also need your essential oils. So I have 4 that I'm going to put in my, I guess I could turn around and show you the labels. So these are the 4 that I use, and I'm going to go through them and I'll show you them as we go. And then you need a carrier oil, and I'm going to use the Young Living V6 Vegetable Complex. And you can use just regular coconut oil, or if you want to, or whatever other carrier oil, like whatever seed oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil, or anything like that that you want to use. I just prefer the V6. Sometimes I use regular coconut oil, but today we're using the V6 from Young Living. You need either like an eyedropper or a little pipette or something like this so that you can put the carrier oil into the little capsules. And then you also, you don't have to have this. This is just a little tool that makes it really simple. So it has these little holes in there. These actually hold the capsules. So I will show you. These are the capsules that I use. You can see those without me dropping them everywhere. And so what you're going to do is, I also just have a towel for laying my pipette and stuff on there so I don't get anything on my counter. But so basically you just pull the caps off of your capsules, put them into, drop the cap. And I just usually set the cap on the back there, but you're just going to basically use this and pull apart. See if I can do it with one hand. I don't think I can. I'm going to go ahead and just separate them, and I'll show you once I get the little block holder, capsule holder loaded. And thank you for joining me. Actually, I forgot to say that, so I appreciate you checking out my video. I hope you find it helpful. And okay, so there it is. The block is all loaded, and I'm going to basically just drop the oil into there and put the caps back on. So I will start. So first one I'm going to do is the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. This is proprietary to Young Living. This is our very own blend. It has cinnamon bark in it. It has clove. It has rosemary. It has eucalyptus radiata and lemon oil in it. One thing I think I said in the beginning, but I'll say it again, I'm only talking about using Young Living essential oils. These are labeled for our Vitality line, which means that they are ingestible and they are totally safe for consumption. And so let me tell you about Thieves while I'm doing this. So Thieves is great for supporting your immune system. It's great for also because of the eucalyptus radiata that's in there. It's great for respiratory support. And so I just do 2 drops each. And so I'm gonna try to keep that in camera. So all you're gonna do is just take the lid off. This is a brand new bottle, so it may take me a second to get it flowing. So I just put 2 drops in each of the capsules. And so you see this little holder makes it very easy, and I missed that one. So very easy to fill the bottles. Okay, the next one that I'm going to use is Frankincense. That's Frankincense Vitality. I do want to just mention that these are labeled for consumption. They are the same oils as our regular line. It's all the same oil, but it is labeled per the FDA for consumption. Okay, and so frankincense, I use that because it's great for overall well-being. It's great for supporting the normal cellular health. And did I mention that it is great for your skin too? It's fabulous for regenerating cells on your skin. And so when you take it internally, you're kind of supporting that from the inside. And so this is Young Living's, 2 drops of this each also. And Young Living's frankincense is harvested from the same place that baby Jesus's frankincense came from. So that's kind of amazing, right? Okay, so we've done thieves and we've done frankincense. The next one I'm going to use is Copaiba, and this is the Copaiba Vitality. You can see that, I'm trying to keep the glare off. And Copaiba aids in healthy digestion. It also supports the body's natural response to injury and irritation. And so it's great for all of those things. I kind of got started with Young Living for some digestive issues that I was having and trying to support my health a little bit better with a natural product. So digestion was one of the main things that I was looking to support. And so Copaiba obviously would make sense for me since I'm looking for that digestive health. But it also has other benefits, like I said, helping the body support or recover from irritation and injury and things like that. So again, 2 drops of this one. My bottle's a little bit empty, so hopefully we can. And I make these capsules I make them 2 weeks at a time, usually 14, 15 days. And then I put them in a freezer, and I'll show you those in just 1 second. Okay, so the last one that I'm going to put in there is the Digize blend. And this is a blend of tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli. If you look up any of those essential oils, you will find that they all aid in digestion in one way or another. So blending it all together is a little powerhouse, right? So again, 2 drops of this one. Now the Digize I also use, I just pop a little, oh, don't tell me I'm empty. I don't think so. But I just pop a, well darn. Okay, I'm gonna have to grab my Digize. I don't know, didn't think this was empty. Here we go with live. Well, it's not really live, but I'm recording it. I'm not gonna re-record it, but I'll show you. I really thought I had this in here. It is empty. So, okay, so we're gonna pretend that I just put 2 drops of the Digize essential oil also in the capsules, and I will go back and put those back in. But so then what you would do next is, let me go back, rewind to my little faux pas here with an empty bottle. But you can, I use the Digize also just as a topical when I kind of get that rumbly tummy, or I've eaten something that I probably really knew better than to eat, but I really wanted it anyway. So I'll just put a couple drops in my palm, add a little bit of carrier oil, and then just rub that around my stomach in a clockwise manner. And that helps to settle things down and kind of take away the cramping and stuff like that. It kind of eases things up. And so anyway, Digize, you can use that way as well. Okay, so I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to just show you. So I'm just using the little pipette to fill this with the carrier oil. And then I'm just going to fill it almost to the top of there, like that. And I'm going to leave a little bit of room because I still need to go back and see, you can see that one pipette full almost did all 5 of those little capsules. So basically I'm going to put those in there, and then I'm going to go back in a minute and put the Digize in there, but I'll just show you. So all you do is you just pull this out of here, just kind of wiggle it out so that you don't spill it, like this. And then you take your cap and you pop your cap on and you just click it down until it snaps. I'm not going to do that because I need to go back and put my Digize in here, but basically that's all there is to it. Now, again, I said, oh darn, I spilled it. Anywho, I put them in the freezer. I make them a couple of weeks in advance, and then I just put them in a little Ziploc bag like this. These are what I had in there. Still have like 5 left. They thawed out really quickly. When I pulled them out of the freezer just before I started recording this, they were frozen, but they thawed really, really quick, and so just at room temperature or what have you. So, but these veggie capsules dissolve really quickly. They're made to do that. That's what you want. So you want to make sure that if you're buying capsules from somewhere else, that you're not getting like plastic ones that aren't going to dissolve in your system because you're taking them internally. You want to make sure that it's something that's going to dissolve really quickly. So the oil, sometimes depending on which oils you put in there, can dissolve them fairly quickly. So if you put them in the freezer, then you're able to make them up ahead of time and not have to do it every single day. You're able to just grab them out of the freezer, pop them in, and you can go on your way. So that's how I do it. I just store them in the freezer, and then every day grab one, and able to support all of those body systems that I mentioned in the video. I will put in the comments the oils that I use and again what they're for, and then if you have any questions, be sure that you comment on my video. And if you want to share my video, do that too, please. And I hope that you learned something and that you will enjoy supporting your health with Young Living. Thank you.